Welcome to 16510 East Palisades Boulevard, Unit 13 in beautiful, breathtaking Fountain Hills, Arizona. This quiet, quaint complex hasn't had anything for sale in quite some time. So this is your perfect opportunity if you're looking to downsize, maybe you're looking for a vacation home for the winter, or maybe an investment property to rent out. Or maybe you're just tired of renting and you want to own a home. Well, this 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath condo is definitely the one for you. It is fully furnished, it's turnkey, basically almost everything you see comes with it. It stays with the home. And the 2 bedrooms upstairs both have private balconies with breathtaking mountain views. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go on in and take a look, shall we? Okay, come on. Wasn't that beautiful? And you know what else is really amazing is that you're just steps away from shopping, dining, the iconic fountain park. I mean, the walkability factor here is amazing. Plus, you're really close to hiking. And did you know that Fountain Hills was actually named one of the best places to live in Arizona? So if you'd like to see this in person or have any questions, give me a call and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.